Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install solar EV charging with Enphase IQ Solar and EV beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all the necessary tools and materials for installation. This may include the Enphase IQ solar system, EV charger, mounting brackets, wiring, and safety equipment. Start by reviewing the installation manual provided by Enphase. Ensure you understand the electrical requirements and local building codes. Choose a suitable location for the solar panel installation. Consider factors such as sun exposure and available roof area. Once you've selected the site, prepare the roof surface for mounting. Clean the area and ensure it is structurally sound. Install the mounting brackets according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Make sure they are securely fastened to support the solar panels. Next, position the solar panels onto the brackets. Align them carefully to ensure optimal sunlight capture. Connect the panels using the provided wiring harness. Be sure to follow all wiring instructions closely to avoid any mistakes. Once wired, secure the panels in place. Proceed to install the Enphase IQ microinverters to the panels. This step is crucial for converting solar energy into usable electricity. Connect the microinverters according to the provided wiring diagram. After completing the microinverter installation, it's time to set up the EV charger. Choose a location for the charger that is convenient for your electric vehicle. Start by mounting the EV charger on a wall or post. Again, follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation. Next, connect the EV charger to your electrical system. This may require additional wiring and possibly a new circuit breaker. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Once everything is connected, turn on power to the system. Check that the solar panels and the EV charger are functioning properly. You may need to monitor the system through the Enphase app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.